What's going on, everybody? I hope that you're having an awesome day. Today is kind of a big deal for me because this is the first video that I am filming for you guys in my new workshop. I've been working on this place for quite some time and it's not done yet. I'll be making a video when it's finished to kind of show everybody around. It's a small workshop. It's not anything super extreme, super special, but today's a big deal for me because I finally get to film in here. It's finished just enough to be able to start making some content and hopefully be able to work in here very, very soon. So I'm glad you guys can join me. On top of that, got a little present from Santa Claus today. Corksport sent me one of their prototypes for a new product that they're going to be offering for the 2nd Gen Mazda Speed 3. In this box, I have the all-new wing extension. It bolts onto the factory 2nd Gen Speed 3 wing. So without too much dilly-dallying, we're going to open up the box, show you guys what's inside, and what you can expect by Christmas from Corksport. This is something that I've been looking forward to. I saw some photos early on when they were starting the design and everything for this, and decided that I really wanted to run one on my personal car, so I'm very, very thankful that they sent one over to me. Take a look at and try it out. There we go. Alright. Some packaging. Alright, so here it is. Here is the wing extension itself. It is powder coated aluminum. This powder here has a little bit of a texture to it. This is actually a prototype, and in this run they used a different powder than what they're going to be using in production. So this has a slight texture, but the final product is going to be perfectly smooth satin black, but really nice cuts, nicely protected on the ends there so it doesn't get bent. And then, per usual, we have instructions with the little brackets that hold the extension onto the factory wing, as well as some screws and a couple of bolts. So I will open up the instructions. We'll kind of take a look at what's going to be involved in installation, and we'll go from there. Go ahead and take one of these out of the packaging as well so we can take a look at one. I'll leave the screws in there, but I want to take a closer look at the bracket. At least one of them. So these are actually pretty nice. Look to be laser cut. All the edges are nice and smooth. There's no burrs. Nothing like that. So these are nice little pieces. I'm assuming stainless steel, judging by the color and the fact that they're bare. I highly doubt that they would send bare steel. So these must be little stainless steel brackets, which are very, very nice. Of course, you got your Corksport logo sticker. We'll slap that on somewhere. And then we have the instructions themselves. Okay, so I'm not going to read this word for word, but in the instructions they give you kind of a little trick with a piece of string and the antenna. Actually have their stubby antenna in the instructions here. If you need a good stocking stuffer, that's a good one. Stubby antenna, wiper delete, shift knob, all that good stuff. But yeah, they tie string around the antenna and they use it and the emblem and the hatch release button there to find center, which is kind of a cool little trick. Obviously you have the 3 brackets. It's kind of a measure twice, drill once sort of install, so keep that in mind. You know, definitely something that you guys are going to want to take your time with. Nice sharp drill bits, all that good stuff. So all in all, honestly, installation does not look like it's going to be that bad. It's a cool little part. definitely nice quality. I mean, all the cuts are nice. Like I said, everything seems to be laser cut, not too thick of aluminum where I don't think that we're gonna have to worry about this thing pulling out of the factory spoiler or anything with the screws. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to get this thing on here. I will be doing an install video of the wing extension, so keep an eye out for that because it's going to be coming within the next week or so. And like I said at the beginning of the video, these are going to be available this month for everybody. So if you're looking for a way to dress up the back of your 2nd gen Mazda Speed 3, give it a little bit more of an aggressive look, Corksport's new wing extension, it's the move. Get yourself something nice. You know, I know everybody was good all year. You deserve a present. You and the car. The cars deserve presents too. So keep this one in mind. Have a good night, guys. Keep an eye out for that install video coming very, very soon.